promise it will be a great evening. My name is Felix Lopez. But today, or listen forever. This time, I'll make true to that promise.
Tracy Ngamunganilelo engimthandayo. She's the girl of my dreams.
My name is Tracy Smith Lope, and I'm Felix Lope's wife. I have to address the elephant in the room.
There's no man that can say they want one woman.
Monogamy is a facade. Monogamy amanga.
My name is Tracy Smith Lope, and I'm Felix Lope's wife, the one and only. So the first few years of our marriage was a roller coaster. The biggest lows for me, I think, is the infidelity.
It's told to see.
Welcome back to our deep dive into the latest reality show making waves on DSTV channel 161, Life with Felix. This show offers an intimate look into the life of Gagasi FM presenter and comedian Felix Lope, his wife Tracy Smith Lope, and his mistress Ayanda. Wait, is Ayanda his mistress or are they married? And we will find out soon as the episodes progress. This was only episode 1. I think they've already released episode 2, so I think this season is going to unveil to us who Ayanda is. Is she married with Felix Lope or is she just a mistress? We will see as we go. I'm also interested to see what happens, and I'm also interested to watch this show and see the dynamics of it, because it seems like the reality show is also almost similar to Musamsele Guswanez. It also involves polygamy. So we're looking at Felix Lopez's family as they navigate the complexities of polygamy, infidelities, and blended families. Felix Lope is a well-known South African radio personality and comedian and has been married to Tracy Smith Lope since 2018. However, their relationship took a turn when Felix introduced Ayanda to their lives. Initially, Tracy was hesitant about the idea of polygamy, but after months of discussions, she gave a blessing for Ayanda to become Felix's second wife. According to Felix Lope, I quote him, he says, "Monogamy is one of the main reasons we have broken families and societies. It's the reason we have fatherless children. It's also the reason we have a high rate of divorce. Our forefathers had multiple wives, and as a result, our children grew up with both parents around." I close quote. While Felix embraced the idea of polygamy, Tracy's journey has been more complex. She has openly stated that she is Felix's only wife. We saw in that clip, guys, and she has expressed concern about infidelities in their marriage from the very beginning. I caught one of Tracy's quotes or words that she once said. I open quotes. She says, "I never imagined being in a polygamous marriage. The infidelities has been a constant challenge and it's a painful thing to navigate." I close quotes. It seems definitely not to be easy. So now let's talk about the dynamics of polygamy in this show. So on the life of Felix, viewers are given a front row seat to the dynamics of a modern polygamous relationship. Felix's decision to marry Ayanda has sparked conversations about the normalization of polygamy in contemporary South African society. While Tracy has accepted Ayanda into their family, the journey hasn't been without challenges. So this show delves into the complexities of balancing love, respect, and the intricacies of a blended family. And like always, the viewers and social media has been aghast. Viewers reacted. They took to social media to express their opinions about the show. Some commend Felix for embracing his cultural beliefs, while others criticized the infidelities and the impact on family dynamics. One viewer said, Felix is living his truth, but I wonder how Tracy feels all about this. Another viewer comes on and says, polygamy is part of our culture, but is it still relevant today? Another viewer said, I don't know if I could handle sharing my husband. Wow, these are thought-provoking questions and comments. let's look at the cultural perspectives of polygamy. Polygamy has deep roots in the African culture. I mean, in one of my previous videos, I showed you Musa Mselego's polygamy. I've also introduced Mr. Houston from Ghana, Michael Houston from Ghana. He also has a polygamy. So it has deep roots in the African culture, in South Africa, particularly among the Zulu people. Historically, it was a practice that ensured lineage continuity and provided support systems within families. However, in modern times, the practice has become controversial with debates about its relevance and impact on relationships. So, polygamy was traditionally seen as a way to strengthen the family ties and ensure the well being of women and children. In today's society, it's important to consider the emotional and psychological implications of such relationships. I mean, you could see how broken Tracy was in the diary session when talking about this infidelity and polygamy situation. It's not easy. It makes or breaks families. Some families, like Michael Houston from Ghana's polygamous family, they become united depending on the foundation of the polygamous relationships. Other families, like Musam Selego, there are tensions everywhere. And you can see how Ayanda also feels about this. She looks like a woman who has been holding on for too long, keeping things buckled in her chest just to save a marriage. Maybe because he loves her husband, because she loves her husband and she wants to see him well and happy. We don't know, but from her eyes, even her eyes are glassy, her eyes are teary. You can say that this thing of her husband becoming a polygamous man really took a toll on her. So as Life with Felix continues to air, like I said, this was only episode 1. It raises questions about the future of polygamy in South Africa. Will more people embrace this lifestyle, or will the challenges depicted on the show deter others? Polygamy is a complex issue that intersects with culture, religion, and personal beliefs. The portrayal of such relationships in media can influence public perception and potentially lead to a revaluation of traditional practices. So again, it's important to note that and see it. One can see that Life with Felix offers a candid look into the complexities of modern polygamy, infidelities, and blended families. It challenges viewers to reflect on cultural practices, personal beliefs, and the evolving dynamics of relationships in contemporary South Africa. Oh, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this complicated relationship or marriage of Ayanda Felix? Marriage of Tracy Felix as well as Ayanda coming to the picture. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Should it be normalized, like what Felix said, to say a man can have one wife? Is that a normal thing? What do you guys think? Because others, I know, they'll say no, because men are fewer than women. We have to accept polygamy so that no one is so that children are not fatherless. Women are not single. Everyone gets married. What do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the life of Felix. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Or guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, may you please watch the ads. I beg you guys, may you watch the ads. Above everything else, stay safe, stay warm this winter. Oh, may you be blessed and favored in everything that you do. Until the next deep dive, see you guys. Bye.